Okay, so this is my catapult trap. You see a person is walking in a cave. I'll just color in that person. And there's a boulder on top of them. Of course. And the boulder won't fall down. Just put the axle up. And there's a pressure plate under the person that pushes a bar down, shooting this catapult up through a trapdoor in the ground, and the catapult ball will hit the boulder on top, making it fall on the person and knocking them out. This here is the Great Wall of China with an arc. You know what? An arch is like a bridge, but not. And you usually walk under an arch, and usually you walk on bridges. And there's a mermaid here. I'll just draw a picture of a mermaid. So there's the mermaid here. And basically she's in a deep sleep or something, and surrounding there is the Great Wall of China. And then there's Gox, a monster from Mixels, made out of Lego, about to eat the mermaid. And apparently, well, his servant is there. I'll color him in. And then there's another Lego thing from Star Wars that landed, and the mermaid jumped out of it.
Like people.
Okay, so the wave and molecule sensing goggles are goggles, like glasses, with metal antennas sticking up from them with electricity. They sense the electrons and atoms and molecules around you in the waves and stuff, mostly gamma rays, so you can just see them in the goggles because you can't see through the goggles, but the goggles are screens themselves. So that's pretty cool. So it might also let you know when certain disasters would happen. So this is my gamma ray gun. It's made of an explosion-proof material, as you can see. There's a vacuum here, and it might help suck up the gamma rays because there's a bomb inside. The trigger lights a matchlight thing, a match lighter, which lights the bomb inside. The bomb explodes, creating some gamma rays, which should get sucked through the vacuum, focused into these two lenses, into a beam, and shot out. But for gamma rays and light waves, it's very hard to do this because gamma rays go through gamma rays go through everything, and they're the only thing in the universe that can that can escape black holes that humans know of. But gamma rays also harm the human body, so it would be quite efficient in wars and stuff and very dangerous. So this is the explosion-proof block. As you can see, the corners are made of concrete. There's the key up here. That's the key. And you can see the corners here are made of concrete. So that's pretty good. You can see the concrete in the key. Then in the center there's diamonds in here and gold around it, which is the only place you'll find the gold. So there's the gold and the diamond. The diamond, surrounding the gold and the diamonds will be gems. Then surrounding those will be emeralds and rubies. Surrounding that will be diamond pillars on here. 4 of them. Titanium and gems. And it should be pretty hard. And the diamond pillars shown here are for support on it. And the gold is just for support for the core. So it might just work if you could fuse all of them together, but I doubt it. This here is the terraforming machine. As you can see the core diagram, there's a battery inside, which would be here, with a circuit board. Here and here, there's tanks of water, which are then poured out here and here as water on the planet. So there are tanks of soil in the bottom parts here, which is then poured out as a bunch of mud and dirt and stuff. Hydrogen is shot out of here, and oxygen is trapped in here and here. Here's, which will be good. The oxygen is also shot out of the terraforming machine.
What about the beneficial bacteria?
I didn't know about that part. There's nothing that is.
And how does it get its power?
It gets its power from the universe. There's electromagnetism in space, and it sucks it in through these parts, which gives it its power. It can produce cold with this icy fan, giant icy fan, very, very, very cold, and giant rocket booster with so much heat it can melt the metal, the hardest to melt in the universe. So those are to change the temperature to the right temperature, and basically the beneficial bacteria should come out in the water or the soil. And that's how it works.